So in Florida, of course, we experience a lot more adverse conditions, whether that be storms or hurricanes that roll through on a more consistent basis than anywhere else in the country. So the equipment has to be able to withstand those adverse conditions. We have gone the route with partnering with Canadian Solar as well as CKR Solar. When the panels are installed on the home, we don't want those panels getting damaged or even blown off the roof. So when we partner with these companies, we take into consideration the actual performance of the panel, but also the actual structural rigidity of the panel. Canadian Solar and CKR definitely lead the game in those aspects. Not only is their equipment top tier with regards to the output they produce, but also on the manufacturing side with regards to the structural rigidity of the panels themselves.